What's good, YouTube? Today's YouTube video, as y'all can tell by the title, I'll be teaching y'all things that I've learned from watching YouTube and how to save 10K. But I'm not gonna be showing y'all how much I have in the bank because, for protection reasons. I'll probably make another video like this, but showing proof that I have 10K. But I hit 10K before I even hit 18. Like, obviously, I made more than 10K my whole life, but I never had 10K sitting in the bank, like saved up or whatever. Like, I can live without using it. But I'll be going over 7 different ways of how to save up 10K. So hopefully this video helps you. I'm not going to be on this channel to tell y'all, do illegal things. I'm not here to sell you a course. I'm not here to charge you to, learn what I already know. I would say as a young person, y'all can probably learn from me, or if you're younger, that's great. You can start off early. If you're older, hopefully you take this as inspiration. I'm not here to, flex on y'all. None of that. Bro, I don't even have enough money to flex. But 10K might be a lot to some people. It might not be a lot to some others, but it's like a accomplishment, a goal. Cause I've been trying to hit it for probably over a year. But like right now, I'm a senior, and I'm like in the middle of the year, like January. I'm about to hit 18 years old, but bro, like going into 11th grade, bro, I had $200 or $400 because I had a little business. I was like putting a lot of money in, but not really putting in effort, and I lost a lot of money. I blew a lot of money, honestly, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I'm not here to tell y'all start trapping. Y'all be seeing them fake ass videos on TikTok. Like, people be flexing prop money, so don't believe none of that. I'm here to give y'all free sauce, legitimate. Like, y'all can do this. But coming in at number 1, I would say a 90-day run. What this basically means. Sorry, I have like a speech impediment or whatever you call it. Like, bro, I be stuttering, bro. I don't know. It's embarrassing, but I'm trying to work on it. But I'm not gonna be like Kai Cenat where I read inside myself. All right, shut up. For real. Serious. But first one is not 90-day run. So what this basically is for 90 days, also 3 months, is stay disciplined. Basically means no unnecessary spending for those 90 days. So, people be working 9 to 5s, like 40 hours, but I heard it's not good to tell people what you want to do, like move in silence type shit. But this summer I look, you want to go on a 90-day run. Cause summer's 3 months, but I'm trying to get a second job, and I'm trying to work at least 70 hours a week. But dude, that's like 14 hours, like working a day for 5 days. Cause 14 times 5 is 70. But yeah, I hope both jobs give me 35 hours. I hope I get the job. I haven't even got the job, and I'm already like hoping in the future that I can do it. But I don't think I should live like that. Just wait till you get the job. You see how that job is. See how they treat you, how much they pay, see how many hours they can give you. So don't be planning, don't let your guard down. Hope for the best, but like have a backup. Like if like the worst outcome is them saying no, when you get rejected by a girl. But 90-day run is like, let's say the average people makes like what, $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So let's say you make $3,000 a month. So 3,000 times 3 is 9,000. It's not 10,000, but you made 9,000 in 3 months, and let's cut half of that. 4,500. You should probably like save. You saved up 4,500 in 3 months. The other half you would probably put into your bills and the things you need to live. You gotta separate your wants and your needs. Feel me? Did I say that right? Like, what you want, you gotta put that to the side. And your needs, that's what you use your money for. Coming in at number 2 is save little bills. Put up the 1s and the 5s and stack it up. Cause let's say you're going out. If this video is literally titled "How to Save Up Your First 10K Fast," bro, let's be honest. Let's say you go shopping. If you're watching this video, you probably waste your money like, I don't know, like stupid. You don't have money management. So let's say you're shopping and you have your wallet. Let's say you have 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s, right? Which one are you most likely going to use if you're going to buy Jordans? You really tell me you're going to pull out 400 ones? No, bro. You would use that 100s and 50s and maybe 20s. But take those ones and those fives and stack it as much as you can. You know, I've heard people say take out money from the bank, put the cash out of mind, out of sight. You know, put it away. Probably like you should hide your money, but hide it where like hide it in a spot that's hidden from others, but a spot you can find. You know, because one time I hid my money and I couldn't find it. I was like, fuck, where did I hide it? But also, y'all should be aware that sometimes your house can burn down. So if you got money in your house and your house burns down, unfortunately, you're cooked. You lost all your money. So maybe invest in a. Somebody told me you can get a what's it called? Fireproof safe. So I would recommend you like start thinking about that. But I would say save those ones and fives and tens. Save those little bills and stack it up as much as you can until it turns to 20s, 50s, hundreds. You know. But yeah, that's my number two. Number three, this is easy for me. I would say stay in the house, bro. Like you don't gotta go out every fucking day, bro. That club that you go to every week or weekend, I mean, is still gonna be there like the next year, bro. Like I'm telling y'all, like it's nothing new. You gotta stay home, bro. I'm telling you, like you can do a lot when you're home. I don't know, watch a movie, read a book, eat. Like you don't gotta go out every fucking day, bro. Like I probably go out once a week. If I'm being honest, like there's not much that you're missing out in the real world. I feel like Kobe Bryant once said, he I think he said is he lived in Italy and because he didn't know I don't know if he didn't know English or something, but when he went to America, you know, in school, he didn't get invited to like the friends gatherings, like functions. He didn't get invited to anything to hang out. So what he would do is go to the rec, play basketball, dribble himself to sleep, and he said that's the greatest thing that could have happened. And I think it's the same for us. Like, bro, like you gotta be lonely to like you have to be lonely to blessing. You gotta grind. You gotta grind alone. Like that's why it gets lonely at the top. You really think those people that are partying and peaking in high school, peaking in middle school. Okay, middle school might be a push, but peaking in high school and college, like bro, like they're not, maybe college they'll be successful, but you know, just because you go to college doesn't mean you can be successful. If I'm being honest, because some people go in debt. That's what I'm not trying to do. But I'm gonna go to college. But basically, like, just stay inside, bro. You don't gotta go out every fucking day and blow hundreds of dollars every day. Like, every time I go out, I probably waste like 80 to 100. And then when I go out with my brothers, or like my friends are like, bro, let's go, let's go. Boy, I spend a lot. I be joking around saying I'm gonna spend a band, like for real though. Number four, this one's kind of hard for me too, but it's okay to look rough, bro. You don't need a haircut every fucking week. You don't need a I don't know how much tattoos cost, but I have some friends that get tattoos. I hear the prices, they're like crazy. Bro, you don't have to look the best for anybody, bro. Like who you looking cute for, bro? Like who you looking good for? Like real talk. Like if it's for a girl, like if a girl doesn't fuck with you and you think she's gonna fuck with you, if you get the new Jordans, like bro, what are you doing? Like it's telling me you want to be with a girl that wants you because you have Jordans and shit. Like come on, bro, you gotta find your wife or your soulmate who wants you for you. So it's okay to look rough. You know, you don't have to every fucking weekend. Like every time that paycheck comes in, you gotta go buy new clothes, go buy some shoes. Like bro, maybe like once every I don't know 3 months, once every 6 months. You know, like when the weather changes, or like you can buy yourself a little gift, a little like pat on the back for doing such a good job. Like you don't gotta do it every fucking week. Like what, bro? You tell me every paycheck you get, you gonna be like, oh, let me bless myself. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Get a grip. Get a grip. Stupid as hell. But yeah, that's. I don't think I have much to say like on like you gotta look rough. Like it's okay to look rough, but maybe like like if your hair looks bad, put on a beanie, put on a hat. I know high school people be pulling down your shit, stuff like that. Like you can wear like a shitty ass shirt like under this jacket, bro. Tell me why I didn't even know there was a thing called like U.S. Assassin. I thought this was polo. My friends were making fun of me. They were like, bro, you got U.S. Assassin. They're like, nah, I'd rather have Ralph Lauren over polo or some shit like that. Like I was like, I want some polo jacket, and then I thought this was polo. He was like, nah, I'd rather have Ralph Lauren. I was like, oh, he just fucking with me. Like, it's the same shit. But I did not know, bro. Look at this shit, bro. But under this jacket, bro, I'm wearing like a gym shirt. Like, bro, like you don't gotta wear the craziest shit. Like all I wear to school is literally Crocs. But I have Jordans. I have Timbs. I have like Asics. I don't know. I don't even wear my dunks. I give it to my dad. I want to buy forces though, but you don't gotta look like bro. There's people with like $1,000 fits. They're broke, so it's okay to look rough. Number 5, distance yourself from lazy people. What do I mean by that? Is distance yourself from people that don't have the same goal or the same mindset as you. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want to get rich, why would you want to hang around people that are okay with living like an average person being broke? Hold on, I'm turning on my fan, even though it's like cold as fuck outside. I'm feeling hot. But yeah, like distance yourself from people that are lazy. Like those are people that who party, like party every fucking day. Probably not every day, but every weekend, as I was saying earlier. People that smoke, drink, waste lots of money. Like, come on, dude, you ain't no baller. You can hang around with these people if you're already up there, maybe, but that's not gonna get you nowhere. You know that quote? Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. That's exactly the same shit, bro. Like, you gotta surround yourself around people who I wanna say, like, I wouldn't say like mix friends and business together because I don't think it's the best thing. Maybe you can try to get your friends to get into it, but they don't want to. Man, don't even force it at this point. You know, I wish I could get rich with my friends, but I don't know if we can. Maybe we'll get rich like different ways, but we'll still be friends. You know what I'm saying? I would say like get rich with people that want to get rich with you, not with like don't get rich with people that just want to get rich. Like that's not even a friendship. I mean, you can do either one, but I would probably do get rich with who wants to get rich with you. But at number 6, I would say every time you get paid, take out the base, save the tax. So for example, if you get paid $7.44, I would take out the 44. This is gonna sound stupid, but I'll take out the 44 and try to live with that. Like you should like what's it called? Like see how much money you make a month, right? Take that number and then subtract how much you waste. Like you need to see what you waste. So for me, dude, I don't even play PS4 no more. And tell me why I get charged for PS Plus to play GTA 5. Like I paid for that yearly shit, bro. I got charged like $87. That shit pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie, but there's a lot of things you're probably subscribed to. Like look at your phone, Netflix, the gym. I don't know, but the things you waste money is probably like bills. I pay for gas, food. That's basically about it. Probably buy. I don't really buy clothes like that. I don't really buy shoes as much anymore. I probably have a decent amount to get me through the week. But yeah, like, dude, you don't like. I would say like, let's say you have 1,590. Like, you would save that 1,500, and that 90 you can use it to waste that week. Like, you better hope it's at least like 70 or 80. But if you're like 20, maybe like you should probably set the limit every week. Like, cause for me at school I can go out for lunch. I probably have 3 days of no working, so that means I can go out 5 days a week during school or 3 days outside of school. And I realize if I work more days, I probably wouldn't get hungry and go waste money on food. You feel me? Like, let's say tomorrow I have school and work, and I work at Chick-fil-A, so I'm obviously gonna eat Chick-fil-A, right? That means I don't have to go out for lunch and waste money. And if I'm working a lot more, I don't have to, go out and buy food. But what's it called? I would say like working just gives me an excuse of not being able to go out too. Like if I'm at work after school, that means I can't go out after school with my friends and go, waste my money on bullshit. Which is honestly, I found really smart to do. Just try to save. I would say people say pay yourself first, but I would say the opposite. You got to pay your bills first because if you pay yourself first, you can't pay your bills. Don't you go in debt or some shit? Like what? But number 7 also follows on the thing I just said, like piggyback or whatever you call it, is no unnecessary eating. Like, bro, you don't have to fucking buy outside food every fucking day. You don't have to DoorDash food every fucking day, dude. It's like 20 something dollars. You don't have to. You literally waste 20 something dollars on DoorDashing. You probably waste gas and eating and probably tipping people. Like, dude, you don't have to do that. You can learn how to cook. make an egg or some shit, bro. Like just learn how to cook. Make your own food. Go to the like grocery store, buy your food. Make some stupid shit. I heard ramen noodles is good, but at the same time I heard it's bad for your health. Like I heard it like on the 90-day run, same thing. Don't go out and buy stupid shit. This title probably should have been 90-day run, but you know I'm not experiencing that. I haven't done it yet. I want to, but I shouldn't even be telling y'all because they say don't tell people what you want to do. But yeah, don't, bro. You don't gotta fucking buy food every day, bro. There's food at the house, no cap. Once you realize how much money you waste on food, you gonna listen to your mom when she says there's food at the house. But basically, that's it, bro. Like how to save up your 10K, bro. Like it's not easy, but it's simple. Like you just stay disciplined and you just don't think about like, bro. Every time I get paid, I just leave it in my bank. I try not to waste it. I try not to waste it at all. I just try to let my fucking bank just grow. But you just gotta be disciplined. It's simple. Like there's so many ways you can save up money. I'm telling y'all. But it honestly takes like it takes you to fake. Like you gotta fuck up. It's trial and error. You gotta fuck up with your money to learn how to save up. Is what I'm telling y'all. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to say it, but yeah. But that's the end of the video, bro. I hope this helped. I hope the mics work to capture the audio. If it didn't, I'm gonna get mad because it's been 60 minutes. But that's basically it, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Take notes. I hope this video helps, and yeah, have a blessed day.